Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to show you just the local updates for XPL Plasma targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. Alright guys, I hope you watched the first video about Plasma and we almost touched the first zone of interest. So highly recommend you, just an educational purpose, just go and check the first video to understand the logic, or especially I recommend you go and check the initiation accumulation pump model. Totally free strategy for tokens after listing. So we almost landed to the first zone of interest. It's 65 cents, 81. Next one level, it's 51.22, 30, 45, 21, 30. Invalidation of this idea if the XPL will drop under listing prices. It's possible. Yes, of course, it's possible. Everything is possible in crypto, guys. You can open the chart of Aevo, Starknet, and find the confirmation. So this is how the chart looks like. We rejected after listing at the zone of fixation profit. So this is a zone which we'll use in future for the fixation swing trades. Of course, I totally understand. I totally believe so the Plasma will hit the new all-time high. It's just a question where we will find the main support level, at this block or at the next one. Of course, the risk will be much more better, right, if we drop here, not buying here, because for example, you buying at first level, we can drop 52% if we talk about a spot, because 52% with the second leverage on the futures is your liquidation. If you know that at margin, it's not the best solution. So imagine we drop to the second zone of first zone of interest. The zone of fixation swing trades will be 215%, but take a look, if we drop to the best zone to buy, it's going to be totally different spot profit, 434 and even potential 639. 37. I don't believe we're going to drop to 21 cents, just in case. Of course, this is a BitGet chart, because on a BitGet almost all the time they list the tokens with the lowest prices. That's why I use the BitGet, not because I trade on that exchange so often, no, just because they give me the lower entries. So I'm not following FOMO and not buying here, for example, at $1, because a lot of people scream $1 for XPL, it's just a gift. No, it's not a gift. The gift will be if we drop to 30 or 21 cents, but I don't think so we will see that gift. So like conclusion, guys, once again, I believe in new all-time high. How high this token will pump, where will be the new all-time high, I have no idea, guys. Let's finish the initiation accumulation pump model, and after that, we will see how it goes. Got it. What we can see by metrics, guys, here, with my customer set on 12 time frame, finally, we see the money inflow. So October, today, we saw the money inflow on 12 time frame. So whales, step by step, start to accumulate the token. Daily, still not yet. Also possible scenario, guys, if we see some positive around the market, some ETF inflows, BTC dominance drop down, some macro news positive, we can see even this move. We can just test the first level and buy and go higher. That's why if you scared enough to skip the XPL pumps, you can only start, use DCA, dollar cost average, buying 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. Your average will be like 40 cents. $1.49, you take a profit, some profit, and leave for tokens. So pretty simple strategy. It's money power indicator, no data on a daily time frame. 4 hour time frame, here how it looks like. This was a money in, some money inflow, just tiny bounce. Here's a money outflow, drop, money in. So yes, 4 hour time frame is more for intraday, guys. Of course, I'm waiting the zone. So I'm no rush. I'm just wait. Good metrics, good ADZ data here. Everything just in accumulation. I guess the big guys got a big plans for the Plasma. I can be wrong, but looks like everything totally in accumulation. 12 time frame in accumulation. We almost at the bottom on direction. So I wish to see that direction at the bottom and some accumulation signals. I'm gonna even add the Plasma into my list. to track it. So ADZ in accumulation is good. Daily time frame, unfortunately, no data. So guys, a lot of bullish signals. Yes, it looks like we're going down, but step by step the whales accumulate. It's good. It's good. 1 hour time frame. Also, this is not a distribution zone, so step by step they accumulate. Here we already formed the variance in 1 hour time frame. This one. This was the variance from that low to this low. So just in case. So this is a huge variance, but it's just a 1 hour time frame. It's not a big deal. But even on the direction of 1 hour time frame here, the whales accumulate. It's good. It's good. I highly recommend you, by the way, go and check the tutorial how to work with this indicator set so you understand the logic. What exactly each indicator shows. Market mood indicator, 4 hour time frame. We're in disbelief. It's a good one. Disbelief capitulation. What I would like to see, market mood disbelief capitulation zone like on 4 hour time frame here. So daily, of course, this is still Euphoria. Euphoria hype about the XPL after listing. Of course, it was just like 15 days, 2 weeks ago, they listed on BitGet. So just too early to talk about crazy pumps. Trade on. Nothing. 12 time frame, nothing. 4 hour time frame. Sell. I'm happy to see that take profit signal from that short position. It was an amazing short position. Of course, it's impossible to track all tokens, but here, take a look. Of course, it's kind of like 8% stop. But with the second leverage, 16% stop loss with a here take profit 54. So 16% against 100. Nice trade, guys. So here was a signal to buy, but we can see the several in a row. So I think we can see something like this one. This is going to be the best option for XPL. Of course, the best of the best is drop to the best zone to buy, but it will be also okay. And the last indicator, guys, take profit. Finally, we can see the 4 hour time frame. Here, we soon will test the buy line. Believe you or not, but we're going to test it. Buy line now on 4 hour time frame is 69.47. With a weak candle, we can test 65.81. Maybe by end of this week, who knows? This is, by the way, the 4 hour time frame just chart. Fundamental value of this socket on the 4 hour time frame, 51 cents, 88. Also can possible to test it. 1 hour time frame, buy line is the middle of first zone, 57.49. Fundamental value, it's 42.60. Take profit, $1.13. Exit line $1.28. Most likely, guys, what I wish to see, if we start build the channel, I'm not a fan of the channels, where the channels, parallel channels. So let's imagine here, if we're gonna build a channel, it's hard to identify the channels. That's a problem. So if this is a correct touch, this is a touch, trade around equilibrium. So it's just a hypothetical channel, guys. We can see something like this one and drop it to the test of the buy line again. I don't think so. We will see something like this one, but it's possible. What should happen on the market to see something like this one? I don't know, but it's possible. So just in case, but I wish to see the drop to this area. So 2 touches, I guess it's enough. After that, we can bounce and go out. So that's it, guys. I highly recommend you go and check the first video about XPL, and track the data with my customer set so you can add alerts. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about XPL for a local now, just for a local. And do you believe in the ultimate high or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer set, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.